Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Paper Favours True Currency. I've got here the Amazon parcel that it will probably come in for you guys, and yeah, I've already opened it. It was just too exciting, and I needed to see it first. So, without further ado, here we go. Oh, here we go. Look at that. It's looking absolutely great. The green colours are really coming through. Nice dark greens against the light green background. And we've even got the really good print quality on this paper here. So it has a bit of an effect on it that makes it look kind of grained and textured, which makes it, takes it away from being like just white space. Yeah, and it really does look like a bit of paper, which is exactly what we're going for. The print quality, like I say, is really good. There's great detail on the numbers of this roulette wheel, and even down to the tiny bits within the crane there. Fantastic. And of course, just like I wanted, it is printed on paper, which is great because that goes with the title. So it's got to be quite a rare book for that. Anyway, joking aside, the cover art, as I've said, we've got some great stuff here. I'll just take you through that design. We've got the tree, which symbolises how, at the core of everything we do, we all got to eat, we've all got to drink, and there's just some core things that we have to do for each other in society. So not only does the tree represent growing food, but also how investments can grow. And that's one of the big themes within the book. We've also got, similarly here with the building, that shows how society is growing, it's advancing, and we build on the advancements of people have made in the past. I think it was Isaac Newton that said he was standing on the shoulders of giants. That's kind of true for all of us. Everything we do is, built on top of what others have done before us. So that's something I wanted to include. We've also got the miner. That represents mining generally for like ores, metals, and that shows how kind of everything, if you trace everything we have back, you can always really start it with, someone's had to go and get the raw material. Whether that be a smartphone or computer or a car, anything like that. It started off as some metal ores in the ground, and so many different people had to do so many things to actually get it to be the final product. It also represents Bitcoin and mining on there, so we talk about crypto in here too. And then finally we've got this roulette wheel, which is all about how there's a lot of chance involved, and some financial products could be considered as bets, and that's quite a big theme, within the book. Finally, we've got the real big inspiration for the book itself is that this phrase here, I promise to pay the bearer. If you look at certainly the British sterling notes, you will find that it does say this on there. And what it means is that actually the money is a promise in a way to, pay the person who has it the value of £5, £10, whatever's on there. And it actually goes back to many years ago when you could genuinely go into the Bank of England and swap your notes for the equivalent value in gold. That's not the case anymore, but yeah, that's a huge theme in the book. On the spine then, we've got the Paper Favours title, like the front, the author, and the nice Selene Systems logo there. Even down there, I don't know if you can see, but you can see very small letters. Print quality is fantastic. Moving on to the back then, we've got the bull and the bear of the stock market. You probably know about that. That's bulls tend to be when a market's going well, people want to buy things, and a bear is where people are a bit more cautious. People are selling, they're trying to get out. And I thought I was really keen to put that on there. Finally then, we've got the blurb which says, "There's no money in money anymore, yet it makes the world go around. We all work for it, we all spend it, and we all accept it. Sometimes it's made of paper, sometimes it's made of gold, sometimes it's just numbers on a screen. We do not often think about why. This book aims to do one thing: change your perception of our medium of exchange from whatever it currently is to something far deeper than previously considered. So join us in our journey through space and time to reframe your thinking about money." And if you get this book, that's genuinely what you're going to do, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a good rest of your day.